In this video, we'll guide you through how to use CapCut templates on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. CapCut templates are really convenient because they allow you to create professional-looking videos quickly without doing all the editing yourself. The transitions, effects, and timing are already done for you. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC or laptop. On the main screen, look over to the left-hand side under the video editing section and click on Templates. If you don't see templates here or can't use them, don't worry, I'll show you an alternative method at the end of the video. Once you're inside the Templates section, you can browse through the available options. You can scroll through categories at the top or use the search bar to find a specific style. When you find a template you like, hover over it and click Use Template. Wait a few seconds while it downloads and opens in the editor. Now you need to add your own media. Click on Import in the top left corner. Select the photos or videos you want to use and import them. Once imported, drag your media onto the Replace section in the timeline. Wait for it to load. Now play the preview, and you'll see your media applied to the template automatically. If everything looks good, click Export to save your video. Now, if templates don't appear in the desktop app, here's the alternative method. Open your browser and go to CapCut's website. On the left-hand side, click on Templates. From here, you can browse, select, and customize templates the same way as in the desktop version. And that's it. That's how you use CapCut templates on a PC or laptop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy editing guides.